What if I told you there's a way to travel millions of light years in just minutes? Hello, friends. The most amazing thing about our universe is its size. It's unbelievably huge. But at the same time, this is also the most frustrating part. Think about it. Even if today we discover another Earth-like planet, a place where humans can live, reaching it is almost impossible. Why? Because of distance. Our Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy, and the nearest galaxy to us is Andromeda. It is about 2.5 million light years away. Now imagine this. If we travel with today's fastest spacecraft speed, it would take billions of years to reach there. Even if we somehow travel at the speed of light, it would still take 2.5 million years. So what's the point of finding new planets, if we can never reach them? But what if there was a shortcut that could take us across millions of light years, in just minutes? That's where wormholes come in. You might have seen this concept in movies where astronauts travel through a tunnel in space and instantly reach another galaxy. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the interesting part. Wormholes are actually based on real science. To understand them, we need to go back to a famous idea. Einstein's theory of relativity. He said that space is not empty. Instead, it behaves like a flexible sheet. Imagine placing a heavy ball on a stretched cloth. The cloth bends. In the same way, planets and stars bend space around them. This bending is what we call gravity. Now here's where things get really interesting. Scientists found that these equations of Einstein don't just explain gravity. They also allow something strange. They allow the possibility of shortcuts in space-time. These shortcuts are called wormholes. Let's understand this in a very simple way. Take a piece of paper, draw 2 points on it, A and B. The shortest path between them is a straight line, right? But what if you fold the paper? Now A and B come very close, and instead of traveling the long distance, you just poke a hole through the paper. Boom, you just created a shortcut. That's exactly what a wormhole does. In space, the distance between two galaxies is huge. But if space itself bends, then those two distant points can come close together, and a tunnel can connect them. This tunnel is the wormhole. Now here's an important point. Wormholes are still theoretical. No one has actually seen one, but mathematically, they are possible. Scientists believe that if wormholes exist, they would look like a sphere or tunnel in space, and if you enter it, everything around you would appear curved and distorted, almost like reality is bending. But there's a problem, a big one. How do we even create or find a wormhole? For that, we need something extremely powerful, something with massive gravity. And the answer is black holes. Black holes have such strong gravity that they bend space completely. Some scientists believe that wormholes could form around them, but there's a catch. If you enter a black hole, you can't come out, so how is that useful? For a wormhole to work, we need an exit, something opposite to a black hole, and that's where the idea of white holes comes in. A white hole is the exact opposite of a black hole. Black hole, nothing can escape. White hole, nothing can enter. It only pushes things out. So in theory, a wormhole could connect a black hole to a white hole. You enter from one side and exit from the other, like a tunnel. But here's the truth. White holes are also theoretical. We have never seen one. Some scientists even believe they might not exist at all. There are also other problems. Wormholes might be unstable. They could collapse instantly, or the gravity inside them could destroy anything passing through. So even if they exist, traveling through them might be impossible. But science doesn't stop there. In 2015, scientists actually created something interesting, a magnetic wormhole in a lab. Not in space, but using magnetic fields. They managed to make a magnetic field disappear at one point and reappear at another point, like it traveled through an invisible tunnel. This proves one thing: the idea of wormholes might not be completely impossible. And if wormholes don't work, scientists have other ideas too, like something called a warp drive, a technology that bends space around a spacecraft so it can travel faster than light. So the big question is, will humans ever travel across galaxies? Right now, it seems impossible, but remember, black holes were once just theory too, and today we have real images of them. Maybe in the future, wormholes will also become real, and one day, humans might travel across the universe in minutes. Until then, the universe remains a mystery, a very big and very fascinating mystery. Thanks for watching.